Creme brulee can be a bit complicated, but you can make this one in 10 minutes and it's really good. 5 simple ingredients: cream, vanilla, salt, eggs, and sugar. Make for an exquisitely rich and elegant dessert. To add a bit of flavor, I add a little bit of orange liqueur. Oh, so good. Or infuse the cream with lavender. Let's talk dishes. You can use 4-ounce, 5-ounce, or even a 6 or 8-ounce ramekin. The larger will just take a little bit longer to cook, but it sure is fun to share. 2 spoons, please. When baking a custard, a water bath is worthwhile. It enables gentler cooking and more even results. So let's bring a kettle of water to boil. Perfecting creme brulee requires lots of egg yolks. When making this for 2, we're going to use 3. In a small saucepan, simmer the cream, and if you're using lavender, add it at this time until it's really hot to the touch, but not boiling. In the bowl of an electric mixer fitted with a paddle attachment, let's mix the egg yolks and the granulated sugar together on low speed. We're just going to do this until they're combined. Now, slowly add the cream while the mixer is on low. We don't want scrambled eggs. Now I'm going to add my vanilla, and if I didn't use lavender, I'm going to actually add my orange liqueur at this time. Now it's time to pour them into the ramekins, filling each ramekin until it's almost full. Now we want to add that hot water from the kettle until it's halfway up to the sides of the ramekin. Be careful not to splash water into each of the custards. Cook it low and slow for about 35 to 40 minutes. A tip is the centers are going to be quite jiggly in the center. Remove them from the water bath and let them cool. Once the custard is firm, we can sprinkle the top with some sugar. To caramelize the sugar, ignite the torch and sweep the flame from the perimeter of the custard toward the middle until the sugar is bubbling and deep golden brown. I love that tapping sound of the caramelized sugar. Now let's dig in.